Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for girls, women, and different teenagers. But guys, this video collection is very unique from my everyday routine previous videos because in this video I'm sharing a very unique idea that is hand embroidery designs for undergarments. That is, if in summers you are planning for a perfect bikini body and a perfect bikini dress, then these embroidery patterns would enhance the creativity and beauty of your bikini dress, even if you want to wear some sort of fancy, lightweight, comfortable, breathable undergarments like a bra with panties and many other type of underwears, then this video collection is absolutely for you. And if you want to make them more beautiful, pretty, or beautify them in a more unique and decent way, then you can use your already in use undergarments, and by using these exact color combination of threads and embroidery patterns, you can renew them and make them more beautiful and creative. I hope that the unique idea and unique creativity of my today's video is likable and you have liked the ideas and patterns. The beauty and creativity of these video design patterns is that they are two-way, two-directional. That is, you can equally use them for making the machine embroidery patterns as well as hand embroidery. Even you can also embroider these patterns onto some sort of sleek or handmade items, like you can make them onto crochet knitted or onto organza or any type of net based soft fabric undergarments. So teenagers undergarments could also be beautified with the help of these very beautiful patterns of embroidery as you are seeing onto your screens. Sports bra could also be beautified and their dullness could be changed into creativity and elegance. So this was all for today. I hope that you like the design and ideas and creativities of my today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming videos. Until then, take care.